This is Mama Mish, and today in the Magic Kitchen, sausage and peppers. Food, glorious food. I really love eating. Who doesn't love good food? I learned my kitchen skills from many teachers. My momster of blessed memory, of course. Cookbooks and the internet have been quite informative. An ex I lived with briefly in Nashville was a chef, and I learned beaucoup from him, especially about presentation. As a singer-songwriter living in Nashville, I worked in bars, restaurants, and catering companies to pay the rent. And I mean 5-star establishments to dive bars and everything in between. Life is best lived like a sponge, soaking up knowledge. I've learned you occasionally have to wring that sponge out to get rid of the dirt and grime that come along with that quest. Every situation is a learning opportunity, especially the painful ones. Am I right? I know I'm not the only one that looks back and goes, oh, so that's why I went through that mess to learn X, Y, or Z. Between the lifestyle choices I made in my youth, various traumas, and good old genetics, I'm dealing with a myriad of health challenges in middle age. So I've made changes in every room in my life, including the kitchen. I changed many recipes I grew up with in order to be able to still enjoy them without causing inflammation, pain, and gastrointestinal issues. I try to use whole foods and fresh herbs and spices that are healing. This one I didn't have to change. My mom used to make this sausage and peppers with 4 ingredients. All I've added is the twice stolen spice, and it's perfection. It doesn't take long to make, can be made in large batches and frozen, served with so many sides to soak up the sauce. Life is messy and saucy, and it's wise to stop and eat the food that nourishes your soul as well as your body. Make your kitchen magic. Life will be too. Like, follow, subscribe. Manja.